Hey traders, in this video we're going to talk about risk management. Now I know everybody likes to talk about how much money they're making and massive gains in the stock market, but nobody wants to talk about risk management, and it is the key to successful trading and investing is knowing your risk. So I like to trade a lot. I actively trade every day just about, and I like holding a boatload of positions at once, and I only have two eyes, so I need to have proper risk out there. The number one thing I can tell you is don't put all your eggs in one basket. Basically, don't put all your money into one position and get married on it. In fact, right now I have about 30 positions on, therefore I keep my position small, usually 2 to 3% of my account balance. So therefore, if I have a $100,000 account, I won't risk more than usually $2,000 or $3,000 per trade. The reason why? Some trades aren't going to work out, and that's just being real, and others will. So if you have proper risk management, maybe you do have that stock or that option that you really feel confident in, then you could bump it up, let's say 4 or 5%. But always know your max loss first on every trade, not your max reward. You want to think, what is the most money I can lose if the whole world ends tomorrow? That tip will help you out for years to come in successful trading and investing. Always know your risk.